Alright, we're going to go over how to create fillets and chamfers inside of a sketch. Let's pop in a new sketch on the front plane. Let's grab a square, and let's dimension that 3 inches by, let's say, 6. Okay, now what you can do is grab this tool right here, which is your sketch fillet. You can click your 2 corners. You can change the sizes here or by typing in a number. Keeping the constrained corners keeps the virtual corner right here so that your shape doesn't lose its position in space. And dimensioning each fillet will dimension each one individually so that each can be changed size-wise individually. If you leave this off, you will have one dimension, and it will make equal to relations to all of your other fillets so you can change them at the same time. Let's go ahead and hit check. You can see there. What we can do is, let's say we want this to be 0.25, and it changes both. It makes it a lot cleaner to look at if you don't need multiple sizes. The other thing we can do is sketch chamfer up here. This little drop down arrow is how you get to it. You can either do distance. So if your chamfer is right here, you can specify this distance and this distance. You can specify whether they're equal by unchecking or checking this box. You can also do angle and distance. Let's say we want 0.375 and let's say 60 degrees. So if you click this point, what you get your 60 degree angle coming from your vertical line and the 3/8 dimension right here. If you click the next point, you will see that it's not the same. So if you were doing 45 degrees, you probably wouldn't notice that it was that big of a deal until you went to change whether it was which angle you were using. So if you changed from 45 to 60 on your degrees, all of a sudden you would get a very weird shape. So to fix that, you want to click this line and then this line, and it will change the orientation that your 60 degrees is on. That way, if you go and change the angle that's required, it will change evenly and how you were expecting. So we can then go to features. Oop, don't want to revolve it. Let's extrude it. Let's say 0.75. Oops. 0.75. Hit the check, not the X. And now we have a solid with chamfers and radiuses, and we only have one feature in the tree, as our sketches and fillets are inside of the sketch. And then I also prefer to actually extrude backwards such that the sketch is on the front face. Makes it a lot easier to see versus it being on the back side.